Hi, I'm Ross Contino. Welcome back to Bread Lab. Today we're putting something new under the microscope, the Joydeem Dough Maker with its built-in fermentation function. Can it really replace a traditional stand mixer for bread making, or is it just another kitchen gadget? Let's open it up and find out. One reason I wanted to try this machine is to reduce the workload on my KitchenAid mixer. Bread dough can be pretty demanding, especially when you bake several loaves a week. If this machine handles kneading well, it may become my dedicated bread mixer. For its first test, I decided not to make anything fancy. I wanted a straightforward, everyday sandwich bread, the kind of dough that many home bakers make every week. That would give me a good baseline for judging how well the Joydeem performs. The kneading action is different from a stand mixer. Instead of watching a dough hook spin around in the bowl, paddle folds and stretches the dough while the machine controls the timing automatically. After this first run, I'm encouraged. The dough came together nicely, the bowl cleaned itself, and after several minutes of mixing, the machine handled the kneading without any drama. Of course, the real test is the finished loaf, but so far the Joydeem has made a very good first impression. This is only the beginning. In the future, Bread Lab experiments will compare this machine directly with my KitchenAid, try enriched doughs, artisan breads, and see whether the built-in fermentation program really improves the final loaf. If you'd like to follow the results, subscribe, and you'll see next time we're in Bread Lab.